everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of a new bag that I just received from Rebag. And I told myself that I was not going to be purchasing expensive luxury bags that much anymore, and which I really haven't. But I found this bag, I came across it, and as you know, I love really just beautiful and unique bags. So when I saw this, I bit the bullet and I got it. So I'm going to show you this bag today. And I already cut open the tape, but so here I want to show you. No. It's always exciting when you're opening something that you get, you know, it's like Christmas. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. Okay. Ooh. So here we go. And again, this one was from Rebag. She's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So let me introduce you to the newest member of my handbag family. And this is the Louis Vuitton. This is from the 2017 collection. This was their from the tropical collection. And they had different colors. They had one that was more pink and purpley, but I just really love this one. It has the colors that I love, and I think it's just a perfect summer spring bag. And this is in the epi leather. This is the BB size. Normally I'm not a fan of smaller bags, but this one actually is large enough to fit at least my phone. So my phone fits in here, the wallet fits, all your essentials should fit in here. And it does come with a shoulder strap, which is, of course, obviously removable, which is really good because I always love the option of either carrying a bag, handheld, on my arm, or shoulder. It's always nice to have options. And I think the BB size looks really cute as a shoulder bag. Beautiful bag. And this one, of course, it does have the lock and the keys. And the inside is like, oh, it's like a beautiful dark blue micro suede in there. Beautiful. And this one, I believe they said it was Rebag, I think, has like at least five or six different categories. And this one was, I believe, in very good condition. And to me, honestly, it looks like pristine condition to me. Usually I find that the bags that I've gotten from Rebag or the ones that I've gotten from the Real, they tend to say that, you know, there's marks on it or creasing or something. But whenever I get the items, I feel like they're always described. They're better in person than how they were described. I was like really amazed. I was like, oh my God, these are like brand new. This to me too looks like it really wasn't used much. Of course, epi leather is pretty durable, but I see no chipping on the outside or anything. But just a beautiful bag. I just really wanted to share this with you guys. Just know that, you know, also look at, you know, previous collections sometime. You know, I know some people are always looking at what's in right now or what's new now, but sometimes you can find some really amazing, beautiful handbags you didn't even know existed if you just start perusing, either just, you know, on Google or even some of the pre-loved sites like, you know, the Real, the Best Arab Collective, Rebag. There's so many, Fashion File, Poshmark. There's just so many of these. But if you just start looking around on them, you may find a really excellent bag. I honestly didn't even know this bag existed. I really didn't, but I saw it, and I do not have an Alma bag yet, so I'm actually loving the Alma style. This is a very classic style for Louis Vuitton. But okay, I don't know. What do you guys think? Yay, nay? I don't know. I think it's really cool. I think it's a total keeper. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love sharing these things with you. And as always, until next time, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.